Another nice night here at Kankakee for the car show. Weather's 78 degrees, hardly a cloud in the sky. The attendance is fabulous again. Food vendors brought more food. Nobody's run out yet, though they are all running low. Seems to be a bigger spectator crowd tonight. My estimate, we're going to have 150, 160 cars tonight. It's pretty good for this late in the season. Very pleased. A lot of really high quality cars here. Parking on the upper deck now. Next year we're going to have to do something about the spectator parking. Maybe we can get that lot to the south of these other public lots. A lot of happy people here. Kankakee's a great town. Glad to help promote this thing. This gazebo over in the corner, that's the one that Dave Letterman had presented on the show about 10 years ago. He had a little joke going on about Kankakee. Joke's over now. Kankakee's back. This is the last show of the season. There's going to be plenty of shows next year. Should be 2 in June. First Wednesday of the month after that. The Railfest show is on the first Saturday in June, and that's going to be a big car show and a big family event. What a tremendous night this is. I have to thank all the people of Kankakee supporting this show so well.